Hello fellow travelers! If you're looking for your next European adventure, I have a wonderful suggestion for you. Let's talk about Valencia. It sits right on Spain's sunny Mediterranean coast. This city offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and modern life. It's a place where ancient Roman ruins rest, near futuristic buildings. Valencia has a spirit that is both relaxed and full of energy. One of the best things about Valencia is its wonderful climate. The city enjoys over 300 days of sunshine a year. No trip to Valencia is complete without a visit to the City of Arts and Sciences. This stunning complex looks like it landed here from another planet. The complex includes an opera house, a science museum, and an aquarium. The buildings are surrounded by bright blue water pools. It's a photographer's dream. From the future, let's journey back into the deep past. We'll head to the heart of the old town to see the Valencia Cathedral. Inside, the cathedral is home to what many believe is the Holy Grail. For a great view, I highly recommend climbing the Miguelete Bell Tower. Next, let's visit the Silk Exchange, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you walk into its main hall, you will be amazed by the tall, twisting columns that look like palm trees. Our final iconic stop is a feast for the senses, the Central Market. This is one of Europe's oldest and most beautiful food markets. One of the greatest joys of traveling in Valencia is the food. This region is the birthplace of paella. You simply cannot leave without trying an authentic paella valenciana. Besides paella, Valencia offers a whole world of culinary delights. Be sure to try horchata, a refreshing sweet drink made from tiger nuts, often served with fartons. Valencia is also a city of vibrant festivals. If you're lucky enough to visit in March, you will witness Las Fallas, one of the most incredible festivals in all of Spain. Even if you miss Las Fallas, there's always something happening. In July, the city celebrates the Gran Feria, with the highlight being the Battle of the Flowers. When you need a break from sightseeing, Valencia offers plenty of places to relax. The city's beaches are a great place to start. For a different kind of relaxation, I suggest a walk through the Turia Gardens. This 9-kilometer-long green space winds its way through the city. The botanical garden offers a quiet escape with plants from around the world. For a truly serene experience, consider a sunset boat trip on the Albufera Lagoon. For those with an adventurous spirit, Valencia has many hidden gems. Let's explore Ruzafa, the city's trendiest district, full of independent boutiques, art galleries, and quirky cafes. Get lost in El Carmen's narrow backstreets to discover vibrant street art. Visit the hidden Monasterio de San Miguel de los Reyes, a 16th-century fortress-like monastery. Valencia is a city with many layers. I encourage you to peel them back and discover its wonderful secrets. Enjoy your trip.